Easy is a lie. And the faster you let that sentence hit you in the chest, the faster your life changes. Because the most dangerous thing you can believe isn't that life is hard. It's that somewhere out there exists a shortcut that lets you skip the cost. Easy is the fantasy that keeps people comfortable enough to stay stuck and frustrated enough to keep searching. It's the promise whispered in your ear every time you're tired, every time you're discouraged, every time you want results without the sacrifice. And I want to rip that promise away from you today, not to tear you down, but to wake you up enough to finally start pushing all of the excuses away. All of these how to fix your life in 3 easy steps videos are stupid. And yeah, I know how that sounds, especially because I've made plenty of them myself, and so have a lot of other creators you respect. The advice in them isn't wrong. It's usually solid. Wake up earlier, be disciplined, work on your mindset, and take responsibility. Those things do work, but here's the part nobody really says out loud. They only work when you stop expecting them to be easy. Those videos sell simplicity, not reality. They ease you into the belief that conquering life could be smooth, manageable, almost painless if you just find the right formula. And that belief is poison. Because here's the truth. Nothing in this life is easy. Nothing that matters comes without effort. Nothing that transforms you comes without resistance. Nothing that builds strength, confidence, or self-respect happens without friction. There is no easy mode for becoming the person you secretly admire. There is no cheat code that lets you bypass discomfort and still win. And deep down, you already know this. You've always known it. That's why the easy stuff never sticks. That's why motivation fades. That's why people bounce from one video to another, book to book, routine to routine, hoping the next one finally feels lighter. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Creators make those easy steps videos because people click them. People want the easy route. They want the promise that change can happen without pain, without sacrifice, without confronting who they've been avoiding in the mirror. And I'm not standing above you when I say that. I'm including myself in it. But what most people miss is that all of that content, all of those lessons, all of those habits were never meant to make the journey easy. They were meant to prepare you for something heavier. They were meant to slowly build your tolerance for the truth. And the truth is this: if you keep treating life like a test you can cheat on by memorizing the right steps, you'll never pass it. You'll keep feeling like you're doing all the right things but somehow still fall behind. You'll keep wondering why progress feels so slow and why confidence feels so fragile. It's because you're fighting reality instead of accepting it. You're hoping for ease in a world that only respects effort. And if you really want what your mind drifts towards late at night, the stronger version of you, the disciplined version, the version that doesn't fold under pressure, and you need to hear this clearly. The journey will not be easy, and it is not supposed to be. There is no level of easy steps that make the finish line come faster. There is no hack that removes the grind. There is no routine that eliminates doubt, fear, or exhaustion. Those things aren't signs you're doing it wrong. They're proof you're doing it right. And here's where the shift happens, because this isn't about tearing you down. The moment you fully accept that easy is a lie, something strange happens. You stop being surprised by resistance. You stop taking discomfort personally. You stop asking, why is this so hard? And start saying, of course it's hard. That single mental shift is power, because when you expect the weight, it doesn't crush you. When you expect the pain, it doesn't scare you. When you expect the struggle, it doesn't knock you off course. Once you take full responsibility for your growth, once you look the harsh truth in the face without flinching, actually bettering yourself does become easier. Not because the work changes, but because you do. You finally see your opponent clearly through the fog. And that opponent isn't life or luck or other people. It's your desire for comfort. It's your addiction to ease. It's the part of you that keeps waiting for permission to go all in. This is where the kick comes in. Because if you're still waiting for things to feel manageable before you commit, you're already losing. If you're still hoping motivation will carry you, you're already behind. Motivation is weak. Discipline forged through difficulty is unbreakable. The people you admired didn't win because it felt good. They won because they kept going when it didn't. They didn't find an easier path. They built a stronger back. So stop asking how to make it easy. Ask yourself how to make it tougher. Stop searching for steps that remove pain. Start stacking days where you prove to yourself that pain doesn't control you. Stop chasing comfort disguised as growth. Chase competence, resilience, and self-respect, because those things only come from doing what's hard, consistently, without applause. Easy is a lie, but the truth is better. The truth is that you are capable of far more than the version of you that keeps waiting for things to lighten up. And the moment you stop expecting ease, you stop being fragile, you stop quitting when it hurts, you stop bargaining with yourself, you move with intention, you move with clarity, you move with force. This isn't a pep talk to make you feel good for 5 minutes. This is a line in the sand. Either you keep chasing easy and wondering why nothing changes, or you accept the wait, embrace the grind, and become someone who doesn't need things to be easy to win. The choice is yours, and it always has been. Thank you for watching.